Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today we're going to dive into the BingX platform and show you how to maximize your benefits using a BingX referral code. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. So, what is BingX and why should you consider using it? BingX is a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading. It's known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and a broad range of supported cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the BingX referral code to receive great bonuses as a new user. Let's start with the basics of the BingX platform. This will be your go-to guide, the BingX Platform Guide. To begin, head over to the BingX website or download the BingX app. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. During the sign-up process, be sure to use our exclusive BingX referral code to claim your bonus. This referral code unlocks special sign-up rewards that are not available otherwise. Now let's talk about the bonuses. By using a BingX referral code, you can get a fantastic bonus for new users. These bonuses often include trading fee discounts, cashback on trades, or even free crypto. It's a great way to kickstart your trading journey on BingX. But the benefits don't stop there. BingX regularly offers various promotions and bonuses to its users. So keep an eye on their announcements to maximize your rewards. This makes BingX not just a trading platform, but a rewarding experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Next, let's go through a quick BingX tutorial for beginners. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of the market, your portfolio, and various trading options. To start trading, you can choose between spot trading, futures trading, or even copy trading if you want to follow the strategies of top traders on the platform. Simply click on the trading option you're interested in, and you'll be taken to the respective trading interface. For spot trading, select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, enter the amount, and choose between a market or limit order. Confirm your trade and you're done. It's that simple. For futures trading, you'll need to understand leverage and margin, but don't worry. BingX has plenty of resources to help you get started. Copy trading is perfect for beginners who want to benefit from the expertise of experienced traders. Just select a trader to follow, allocate some funds, and your trades will automatically mirror theirs. It's a hands-off way to potentially earn profits. Another great feature is the wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. BingX supports a large number of coins and tokens, giving you plenty of options for trading and investing. Additionally, BingX offers competitive trading fees, which means more of your money stays in your pocket. Security is also a top priority for BingX. The platform employs advanced security measures to protect your assets and personal information. This includes two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. So, to recap, using a BingX referral code during sign-up can unlock amazing bonuses and rewards. Make sure to take advantage of these to maximize your trading experience. The BingX platform is incredibly user-friendly and offers various trading options to suit your needs, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and crypto insights. Use the BingX referral code in the description below to get your exclusive sign-up bonus and start trading today. Thanks for watching and happy trading!